actually, it's 24703 Avenida Asoleada here in the beautiful gated community of Calabasas Hills Estates. Hi, I'm Kiwi the Coast, and this really is a once-in-a-lifetime rare opportunity to be right here on the 17th fairway at the historic Calabasas Country Club. And I'm sure you want to see more, so meet me at the front door. And the more is, this home has been completely expanded and remodeled to over 3,300 square feet in a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom configuration. It's on a huge 10,000 square foot lot overlooking that fantastic golf course, pool and spa, and all the amenities. And look at the quality of this home, the beautiful marble floors, the high ceilings, custom lighting, and that open floor concept. Hey, but before I forget, we've got a bedroom, bathroom downstairs. Could be your office if you're working out of the house. And of course, you can pamper those autos in that 3-car garage. From formal living to family room, great room. Look, I've got an overhead projection system that stays with the house for those at-home movie nights with the kids. Dedicated bar and wine fridge, dining area out here, but the kitchen is fabulous. Look at these quartz countertops, all the Thermador stainless steel appliances, the custom cabinetry with the self-closing doors, and look at the chandeliers, it's beautiful. A lot of attention to detail, but what's fabulous is the entertaining out here on the patio. Out we go to the views of the mountains and the green and the lake. We can dine in this huge enclosed patio, stay in the shade. I've got sitting areas, I've got a little fire pit that I can enjoy. The pool if it's a hot day, hot tub if it's a little cool in the evening, and I can practice those money shots at the putting green. And there's more to see upstairs. So this is bedroom bathroom number 2, which is actually a second master. Mirrored wardrobes, nice big size. Bathroom number 3, twin vanities, ceramic tile, nice glass surround there. Bedrooms number 3 and 4, 3 with the high ceilings, both with the ceiling fans and the mirrored wardrobes. But the magic is in the master. And the magic really is in this master. Got the high ceilings, look how large and spacious it is. Dedicated fireplace, TV included, ceiling fan, of course those views right out to that fairway and golf course. And look at this fabulous bathroom. It's got the his and hers separate closets, the twin vanities, custom cabinetry, the seamless glass shower surround with the 2 heads, and the jacuzzi tub, views out to that golf course. Thanks for coming to this fabulous golf course home. Now I hope you can see why LA's elite call Calabasas home. See you on the next one.